Hello, my name is Mrs. Collins, and today I am going to be sharing information with you with regards to how to create a virtual Bitmoji classroom. Many teachers will be engaging students in distance learning, so this is a way to create a virtual classroom, and it's a way to be able to put various things into the virtual classroom that students can readily have at their fingertips. So, first and foremost, you would want to open up a blank document for Google Classroom using Google Slides. So, we're going to go to New, and then we're going to click on Google Slides, and we're going to open a blank template. Once we open up that blank template, we're going to go ahead and clear out anything that's already pre-typed here. So you're just going to take your mouse and scroll it just like this, and then you'll just hit the delete key, and then that gets rid of everything. And so next, what you're going to do is you're going to go to insert, and we're going to do image, and you're going to go to the web. What you're going to do is you're going to type in wall and floor background. And basically what you can do is go ahead and once you find one that you like, you would click on it, hit insert, and voila. So then what you're going to do is you're going to add various things to your virtual classroom. And basically when you are adding things, okay, you're going to want to type in the word transparent so any other images that you put in will not have a background or anything like that. So you're going to do search again, and you're going to do transparent. Okay. And then we're going to do smartboard. Let's see, transparent smartboard. Okay. And so you can sort of look through and you see various things, but I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to click this one, and I'm going to hit insert. So you see that you will need to size it down. Basically, you can move it around and make it as big or as small as you like. So you'll notice now you have a smart board. So again, each time you go to the internet, in order to fetch something, you're going to type the word transparent before you actually take a particular item. So we're going to just say chair. And let's just say that, or actually, let's do a couch. So what we're going to do, let's just say that we were going to take this one. Once we get it in here, again, we're going to size it down. And let's say that once you size it down, you don't like the color. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to go here to format options. And for the color, you have some options. So let's just say that we're going to change it to that color. Let's see. And maybe that color instead. And then let's just say that you want to flip the couch. And pretty much it's allowing you to flip the plant over to the other side if you wish to do that, or the couch. And so in this particular case, you can't really change it, but I'm going to show you something. I'm going to delete that one for now. I'm going to go back and I'm going to insert a different couch. And let's see, we're going to select this particular couch. Okay. And when we select this couch, okay, we're going to bring it down here. Currently it is facing this way, but again, if we change, you see how it can flip it and we can put it over here if we like. Okay. So that's how you do that. I'm going to show you one that I have pre-made. So basically for here, when you're making, you're going to notice that you're going to have where you can click on everything because you still have the ability to move things, right? But once you have everything in the class that you want, and you don't want students to be able to click on the various things because you're going to only have selected things for them to click on, and so they don't get confused on what can be clicked on versus what can't, as far as to get access to various resources. What you're going to do is basically you're going to save, and I'm going to take me out of here. I'm going to copy that. Okay. So let's just say that I want to have a picture of me in this and I want to have something on different each day or each week. So basically, and I don't want any of this to be changed and I want this to remain the same. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to go to, let's see here, we're going to save the layout. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on download. So you're going to go to file, download, and then you're going to click on JPEG or PNG image. And I'm just going to select JPEG image. Okay. Once I select the JPEG image, it is going to save for me. Okay. And then what I have the opportunity to do is to insert a new, well, actually, I'm just going to go here. I'm going to insert a new blank page. Okay. And basically, what I'm going to do is take this image that just went to my downloads. Okay. So that it can be a still picture. And once I do that, I'm going to need to change it to downloads. Okay. Because that's where it ended up going for me on the computer. And then I'm going to select that picture and then it's going to go on to the blank slide. Okay. So now you'll notice that there are no boxes for each one of those. It's just a static picture. So again, you're going to want to do that in order to prevent from confusing the kids from different things that you do want them to be able to click on. And so now I'm going to just show you one that I pre-made. So for here, this is our book. And basically I will have a link that I'm going to add. And basically I would just take and paste my link there. And then the same, I'm going to want them to be able to click onto the remind icon here and be able to go to the link. So for example, if I just type in remind, okay, and basically and wanting them to log in to be able to go to the remind. So again, I would select the actual icon and then I would paste the URL address. So when students click on it, they'll have it and they can go ahead and open this up to go there. And the same thing, you'll do the same thing for your Google Classroom or whatever resources that you wish to put on your bookshelf so that students will be able to click on those various things. Okay. And so, pretty much for the Bitmoji, I'm going to go ahead and put myself back there for, actually, I'm sorry. So, I'm going to go ahead and click here. And so, what I'm going to do is type in sitting. So I'm sitting, and then I'm going to select that. I'm going to hit Control V. Oh, wait, I have to go back one more time here. The Bitmoji that I want to select is here. And then I'm going to do Control Copy. And then I'll do Control V. And Control V will, or you can just drag. And so basically, I will be able to move. I'm going to need to reposition. Okay. So again, I went up to format options, size and rotation, and I hit flip. So I'm going to move me over. Okay. And so again, I would save this again as a JPEG file if I don't want them to be able to click on me and everything is static. If I only want them to be able to click on these various resources on the bookshelf, as well as even if I create a link here for my email to take them directly to their email to be able to email me. And here I put a video, an inspirational video, so you can also do that as well, but you'll decide what you want them to click on. Okay. So I hope that you have fun with creating your virtual Bitmoji classroom. Again, I hope you have a fantastic time creating your virtual Bitmoji classroom. If you have any questions, please leave comments for me. And I am hoping that you have an awesome school year.